Hello guys, uh, today I want to talk to you about the ideal exercise for expectant mother, or what we know as pregnant women. Have you ever wondered how our mothers in the olden days were able to deliver their babies safely without the supervision of a medical doctor or a nurse then days? Well, the reason why they were able to deliver their babies smoothly without doctors or midwives was because of exercise. Now again, you might want to ask, what kind of exercise did they do then? The kind of exercise they did was farming. They farm a lot. I mean, that was the source of livelihood for them. And then they walk miles to their farm, and they walked almost all day, and they still have to carry firewood, some farm products on their head, and walk back home, and still come back home, prepare food for their husbands and children. It's a great form of exercise, and that's why they were able to deliver their babies without any serious complications. The women that served as midwife then had no prior knowledge or any formal education about gynecology or medicine or whatsoever. All right, so any woman can help deliver a baby, so long as you have the courage and the mind to stand, then you can do it. All they needed was just to reassure the pregnant woman and encourage her to push out the baby, and they gave birth smoothly. Our mothers then days were very strong, and after delivery they didn't take any orthodox drugs or something. What they did was just they prepared them hot soup with herbal spices. All right, and they took it, and that's it. It helped to heal the injuries that might have occurred during the course of labor or delivery, and that was it. So exercise is very, very important for expectant mother. Here are the list of exercise that I recommend for expectant mothers. All right, there are still lots of them out there. Remember, you can always do your own research to find out your own exercise, but these ones that I'm listing for you here are the ones that I recommend for you. Number one is go to farm. All right, for those of us in the village, all right, that have farms, it's ideal you don't just stop going to the farm because you're pregnant. No, keep going to your farm and do your work 2-3 hours in the farm and come back home. It's going to help you. That was the same principle our mothers in the olden days used to help them to deliver their babies without any complications. And if you don't have access to farm, you can even start a small garden at your backyard and grow some crops there. Then go time to time to work on your garden, check your crops. It's still gonna help you. Number 3 is walking. All right, find time to walk around. All right, don't just because you're pregnant. I mean, our mothers, women these days, I don't know, some of them, once they are pregnant, they become a burden to their husband. It's very, very wrong. You need to continue the usual things that you're used to doing even when you are not pregnant. It's going to help you a lot. So walk around 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's going to help you. Do that every day while you're pregnant. It's going to help you. And then also swimming. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming or water aerobics is a good exercise for expectant mothers. Ensure you go to swim once every week. It's going to help you, all right, for a healthy delivery. Then also side planking is also ideal for expectant mothers. Do it at least 3 times in a week. Then cycling also is a good exercise. I mean, cycling, the stationary one. Don't do the motion cycling, the normal bicycle. Don't do that, all right, because we're trying to avoid any exercise that will cause you to fall down. Avoid any activity that will cause you to trip and fall, so that you don't hit your stomach and cause problems for your unborn child. These are the few exercises that I recommend for pregnant women. And remember, there are still other exercises you can also do. Always do your own research. You keep your baby in your stomach safe from any kind of forceful contact. So that is it. I'm still your fitness guy, Green. I hope this video is beneficial to someone. Thanks for watching.